Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how you can add quiz in Moodle platform. It is very easy and simple. You can follow the steps and you can easily add quiz inside the Moodle platform. So let's get started. So you have to log in on our PSM Surat Moodle site. Click on login and using your Google ID you can log in. After login, go to this first MBBS module where we want to add the quiz. You can select this internal exam topic and here you can click on first internal exam. I have already created the section for the quiz and here you can add your question. So you must be a teacher or administrator to add the quiz. So you can click on this edit mode as all of you are a teacher in this module. Now we are ready to add the quiz. So I have prepared this sample quiz which we can use to add quiz for the demonstration purpose. So this is the sample quiz. So first one is all the following provide evidence of fecal pollution. So this is the multiple choice question having only one correct answer. Second question is slow sand filter is differentiated from rapid sand filter by various options. So this is the multiple choice but having the more than one correct answer. Then the last option is regarding the image based question. Student has to identify the image and they have to write the correct name or they have to drop the correct name. So let's first start this first question. So let's copy it. Alright, go to your site. Here it is, add question. So click on that. Then from here you can click on add. So there are options. You can add new question from question bank or random question from the question bank. So if you already have a question bank, you can click on, can select the question bank and from there you can select the question. But here we are adding a new question. So click on a new question. So these are the various format in which the questions are available. Multiple choice, true, false, matching, short answer. I will be selecting this multiple choice. Click on add. Alright, so now we have a question name. So question name is something through which we can identify the question. Just copy paste the question you have and then you can copy paste the question here. Okay, take care of spelling and grammar, etc. Default mark 2 or you can change to 1, whatever you like. Okay, and this is important. Here you can select multiple answer allowed or one answer only. Then shuffle the choices. Then you can provide the choices, numbers or Roman letters or however you like. Alright, then we have a choice. So let us go to the document and so I have added the first option. You can even write the feedback here if you want to. Then choice 2. We have added all the options. Now it's time to select the correct answer. So what is the correct answer? It is a single choice answer except. So we can add this as a 100%. So this will become a correct answer. Okay, then you can save changes. So if any error, it will show you. Otherwise, you will be able to see the preview. So this is the preview. So the answer we have selected your answer is correct. Okay, so this is how you can add this question here. Okay, then save changes. Alright, now you will be able to add another question. So click on add new question. Alright, again select multiple choice question, and this time we will add multiple choice question answer that can be more than one. So let us select this one. Okay, can give a short name to your question and the question text. So general feedback you can give that will be shown to student after they attempt the question. Okay, here this is important. This is the multiple answer allowed type of question. Alright, now choice 1. Control C. So first choice. Second choice. Third choice. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 choices or answers. Among them, this one is incorrect and rest are correct. Okay, so let us select the correct answer. So in multiple choice question, to select the correct answer, what you have to do? Okay, in grade, so we have 4 correct answers, so there will be 25% marks for each. So bacteria removed more effectively, 25%. Then this is 25%. Then this is 25%. This is 25%. 25%. Okay, and this is highly skilled person is needed. This is wrong answer, so we don't have anything here. Alright, so for the wrong answer you will not be contributing any grading. Okay, save changes and continue editing. If there is no error, you will be able to see the preview. So this is the preview, multiple choice. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is not correct, this is correct. Submit. Close preview. Okay, save changes. Okay, now let us add the third question. New question. This time we will add a image based question. Select this, drag and drop onto image. Identify the instrument. Correctly identify the instrument. You can modify your question like correctly identify the instrument and write and select is use. Okay, now let us select the file, the image you want to add. So I have this image of fluoroscope that I am using. Upload this file. Okay, so we have this image. Now go to this draggable item, and here we have a draggable text, and our text is fluoroscope. Alright, even you can add the draggable image. So, okay, so we have only one text. You can have a multiple text in the form of its use, its measurement or whatever. You can add a multiple thing. So I have only added one text, that is the identification of the image. Alright, then select the drop zone, select this text. Alright, so this is the text we have selected, and we don't have the other choices or option, so we can save changes and continue. If there is any error, it will point out. otherwise we will be able to see the preview. Alright, so we have to select the exact drag and drop place. Alright, so go to here and select this text, just drag it and place it over here, so it will give the coordinates. Alright, so now it is not empty. Okay, now save changes and continue editing. Alright, then in draggable items we can add the more text, like in this we will add Horrocks apparatus. So this is the distractor. Another we can add portable water filter. Alright, so we have a distractor, two other distractor. Okay, now preview. So this is the image based question. Here student have to drag and drop the correct answer. Okay, so similarly you can have a different drag and drop zone for which you can identify the questions, like correct use of the apparatus or the instrument, and likewise submit and finish. So your answer is correct. Close preview, save changes. So this is how we can add the multiple choice question with a single correct answer or the multiple correct answer in the image based question. I hope this video will be helpful to create quiz in Moodle platform step by step. Thank you.